Good morning, everybody. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Quick look at your weather this morning. The first thing you notice when we look at the composite radar and satellite together, the western part of North and South Carolina pretty much inundated with clouds this morning and some areas of rain. In fact, some of this rain is quite heavy, especially in areas on the eastern-facing slopes of Burke and Caldwell County, moving up into Boone, Jefferson, some lighter rain. But this is going to be a persistent theme this afternoon as we've got an onshore flow coming in from the Atlantic. That moisture is really cranking up here. And moisture levels in the atmosphere is something we call precipitable water. It's the amount of moisture in the column of the atmosphere. It's about 200% of normal. So there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. There's very little capping to stop storms and showers from developing. So we should see widespread showers and even some thunder showers develop later this afternoon along a front, which is still back here. You can actually see where it is. I'll take the temperatures off here in a second, but you can see this line of showers which extends down from Ohio, back almost right along the Ohio River, then back into the mid-south and the southern plains. That's the actual front, and when you look at the isobars, you can actually pick out where it is right in there. That's where our cold front is. So that's going to help squeeze out some further moisture as we go into the afternoon. As we start looking at some of the instability parameters today, we look at CAPE, or that thunderstorm fuel. There isn't a lot. There's just a little, and it's not going to take much to get showers and storms going today. I expect the eastern part of the state to see much more of that. When you look at dew points, though, man, the dew points are really cranking up here to our west. You see this plume of dew points in the reds. These are dew points that are pushing mid to upper 60s, close to 70. In fact, let me throw the dew point temperatures out there, and you can see a big cluster of 70-degree dew points down over the Savannah River Valley. That's being advected or transported north, and you can clearly see that's why we're seeing this cluster of showers developing here in the North Carolina mountains. So as we go into the afternoon, I would expect the showers to increase. We're not expecting severe weather right now. When I look at the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for today, here's the outlook. Just general thunderstorm risk, really not a big deal. Tornado threat is almost zero. Damaging wind threat only 5%, and the hail threat only about 5% as well. The big thing that we'll be talking about today will be the potential for heavy rain. The 5-day rainfall totals here over North Carolina are looking between 1 and 2 inches of rain. So I would suspect that as we go into the afternoon, we're going to see showers and storms really begin to crank up as this front gets closer. I don't expect any severe weather today or even tomorrow. Even the eastern part of the state, which is currently under a slight risk tomorrow, I think that threat is probably overdone. The only thing that would really get severe storms going would be a prolonged period of sunshine. But as you can see, with the front building in from the west this afternoon, that is going to be hard to do with this cloud cover in place. With that said, grab the umbrella, get ready for a wet Tuesday afternoon, a wet Tuesday night, and a pretty wet Wednesday with cooler temperatures moving in afterwards. I'll be on the air today starting at 4, 5, and 6 on News Channel 36. And as always, you can follow me on Twitter, wxbrad, or follow me on Facebook or Google Plus for weather updates 24 hours a day.